This is a sofa armrest tray made out of bamboo. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $34. And it paid me for the review, and my opinions remain my own. Alright, so in the box we have this set up all wrapped in a protective plastic. Comes with a thank you card. And this guy here has kind of a non-slip backing, and it is flexible in that you can pick a couple of different options of how wide your couch arm is. So there's, it can be wide arms or narrow arms. It kind of conforms to the size of the couch. And it just has this tray, and it felt like it wiggles on top of this. Yes, it does. There's magnets attaching it. So it has this guy, so you could potentially use this without the tray attached as kind of a pad. And then it has these 8 magnets that snap in place there. Looks like you can reverse it depending on how you want to use it. So those are on there pretty well. That's not coming off easily. You really have to kind of pull on it to get that up. Alright, so here's the couch arm. Sits in pretty nicely. I'll show you this bag. On this side it has this little bag with a Velcro. I don't know why Velcro specifically there. I don't think you'd want to take it off too frequently, but you could put, a couple of remotes upright, maybe a magazine if it wasn't too long, a little book, eyeglasses, things like that. I think you typically would put that on the outside like that. And then if you don't like the tray this way, you can reverse it. You could put it all the way back if you wanted. I think it's typically going to be used up front. So obviously if it's sitting here, you're kind of losing a little bit of the use of the armrest because it's, a piece of bamboo there. On the plus side, you can put a cup or remotes or anything up here and they're not going to fall off. It's a nice flat area. You don't have to worry about it, moving around on the cushion when people jump around as much. So it's pretty small. If you are up against it, you're going to, feel bamboo, but it's smooth bamboo. And in my couch, at least, it's pretty high up, so if you're sitting like this, it's not hitting you.